One of the key strengths of simulation in decision support is its ability to perform what-if analysis. In this video, we shall use Scenario Navigator to exploit the strength of simulation by quickly creating and running scenarios for comparison. In our gas station project, we have 4 scenarios and the base case. Let's say we wish to compare 2 scenarios where one of the variables is different. In this example, we shall change the number of filling points and view the results. First, we select the scenario that we wish to use in our comparison. We shall select Scenario 4. If we right-click on Scenario 4 and select Properties, it opens the Scenario Properties window. Here we can see details such as the scenario name, the model that will be running, the length of run, etc. Once we are happy that this is the scenario we wish to use, we can amend the information, then save it, or accept it and press Cancel. To create our new scenario based on this existing one, we right-click on our chosen scenario and select Duplicate from the drop-down menu. This creates a duplicate scenario and adds an _1 after the name. We shall change this name to something more representative by right-clicking over the duplicate scenario and selecting Rename. This opens a new window where we can edit the name of the scenario. Let's name it 4 extra filling points, and then also remove the _1. Once we are happy with the change, we press OK to save the changes. Now we can see our new scenario in the scenarios list. It still contains identical data to the 3 filling points scenario at this stage, so we must edit the data. To do this, we select the data table that contains a value we need to change. In this example, the base gas data table. We now change the value of the filling points. Let's make it 6. We then close the table and our new scenario is ready to be run. In order to run our scenarios, we must submit them to the run queue. To do this, first select them and right-click. We then select Submit from the menu and then Yes to confirm that we wish to submit them to the queue. One of the key features of Scenario Navigator is its ability to compare scenarios. We shall create a collection of scenarios to make the comparison easier. To do this, we right-click on all scenarios under the collection section. You may need to expand this collection section if the option is not visible. We select Add New Scenario to Collection and give the collection a name. Let's call it My Test Case. We then OK to save the changes, and then we can see it appear under the Collections group. Next, we need to add our 2 scenarios for comparison into the group. To do this, right-click on our My Test Case collection and select Edit. We are then presented with a list of all scenarios. We select our 2 scenarios and move them across by either double-clicking them or using the single arrow button. Once we are happy, we press Show. Now in the scenario window, we can see our 2 scenarios. The next stage is to run the models. To do this, we press the Scenario Queue button and then Run from the Scenario Queue window. Scenario Navigator will then load the data for the first scenario, run the model and retrieve the results, then load the data for the second model and retrieve the results. Now let's look at the results. Once both scenarios have successfully run and the results retrieved, we see the green tick next to the scenarios. We can then close the Scenario Queue window and view the results. As we have already created the charts, we can quickly view and compare our results by navigating to them using the existing project dashboard. We select our first scenario and then click on the chart we wish to view. In this example, the time series charts for number of cars in queue and number of resources busy. Selecting our new scenario refreshes the chart with the new results. We can jump between scenarios by simply selecting them, and the charts will automatically be updated with the respective results.